powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Paint Centre George in the Western Cape.
Paint Centre George opened its doors in January 2007 as a specialist decorative paint store. Our key focus is on quality products backed up by quality service. What makes me proud about our store is the fact that we have expert staff at Paint Centre George that have consistently met the high expectations of our growing customer base. Throughout the years, we have made significant investments in the training processes with state-of-the-art paint matching equipment.
What makes Paint Centre George the best hardware store in George? Our well-trained, motivated staff with exceptional product knowledge and a comprehensive range of Plascon products. There's competitive pricing, quick, accurate color matching, and a focus on color inspiration enables customers to make informed decisions about their painting requirements.
What I love about our customers is that they are very demanding and set very high standards for us. This keeps us on our toes and makes sure that we give excellent service.
My favorite Plascon product is Wall and All. This product has a low sheen finish with exceptional exterior UV durability. It is the ultimate in exterior wall coatings.
Paint Centre George, inspired through service excellence.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.